Okay, I want to go on this one just because I don't think I've ever been in this one before. It looks like it's going to be kind of the same deal. Whoa. Whoa, 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 ladies! And so basically what we have learned about what is this? The Academy, the Favels Academy, is that they booze it up. They have schematics for weapons, and there was a very few actual books in the place. So, you know, take that for what it's worth. If you ever see a Favels Academy, you may want to avoid having your kid go there. Good afternoon, soldiers of the zombie apocalypse. Scooterkahn here. Opening up a new episode of my Season 4, 7 Days to Die Vanilla PC Let's Play. I am in the middle of a loot run in the town I'm staying in. It ran long. It's basically, this is kind of a part 2 of that loot run. I've been hitting up some valuable POIs in that town. I'm debating whether or not to clear out these POIs and maybe move on to a new town, simply because I have the days to do it. I have plenty of time to do it. But what I'm going to do today is, well, I will show you coming up. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe, and please leave some comments. And enjoy. Thanks. Okay, now for the poopy pants. Poopy Pants usually gives a very good supply of books and schematics. So let's dive on in, get this place taken care of. There's not a whole lot of zombies in the streets. It's pretty handy. Given part of my strategy is to run back out in the streets where there's more room. Cool, nothing. This is relatively easy to loot. Later in the game you will find quite a few zombies in here though. Mini bike, 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 mini bike. La 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 la, mini bike. Did y'all see that? See it again? Tease. Mini bike. Woohoo! Want to see it again? Woohoo! Third time. Woo! See if I can read it and not scrap. Okay, read left D-pad. Yes! I am now smart. I can make a mini bike. Awesome! Whole new ball game. Well, actually I gotta get a forge and everything first. I have found the mini bike book in this building several times, and it's much easier to do than the large cracker book. So I'm gonna have to say that if you have this map or this thing on your map and you have the large cracker book and you don't want to spend a lot of time looting, hit up this, because it does have the mini bike in it at times. That also is notorious for having guns. We all know, oh, there's a zombie right there. I'm all excited about my new mini bike book. And I forget Skater Punk. Oh. It's kind of dark. I need to get me a mining helmet. Come on, you idiot. He's trying to escape. Am I not good enough for you? Dude. Okay, we're going old school. Come on. I don't spend all day in here.
Oh. Dude, get down. All that for that. Got another wrench, got a mini bike, book. A little bit of food. I hear some grumbling. That, my friends, is in the bathroom. It's getting dark in this room. I'm getting away. That was a pretty good shot. And you're going to do the same thing, huh? I don't want to go after her in the corner and then have... There you go, come on, come on. Why are you going back in the bathroom? Okay, caution going into these rooms. More times than once, there's been zombies still in there in the corner while I'm looting it. Well, interestingly enough, they're not teaching any of the children at this age guns or teachers are not drinking. Guess that waits till they get to the academy across the street. Okay, I'm really glad this went by quick. Reason being, let's see what we got here. Read, same thing. I'm gonna fill this up. Where's the water tower? Okay. I'm gonna run over to the water tower, fill this jar up, and then I will head back and I'm gonna unload what I have in my bag. And I've got an idea. I'll just go through that when I get back. I don't want to burn too much video. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take on this pig. Normally I don't do that until I can put spikes out, but great. I got her to deal with too. Okay, maybe I won't. Okay. Yeah, normally I don't like tangling with pigs until I get... Oh, I got a knife. Okay, let me go dump this. I want to try to get into this building. Now, historically, this building has not given me very much. There's just a bunch of little shops in it and a little gun store in it, and it's kind of a fun little POI, but like I said, there's not a whole lot in it. See, the easiest way to get through there. I remember a long time ago, another YouTuber I was watching mentioned that there was a bunker in here, but I've been through a couple of these. Come on. I've been through a couple of these, and I've yet to see a bunker in here, so maybe they were just kind of guessing. The only times I've been in here has been later in the game, when the zombies were rather frisky, and it was kind of a pain, to be honest. I was in one time I was in a high heat biome, and I was overheating and got chased by a bunch of spitter cop zombies. So I didn't loot a whole lot of it because it just wasn't worth it. And the other time which was actually I think was in my video a couple seasons ago. It was next to my base more or less, and where? Okay, there's that guy. I want to find the one that's making the noise. I changed the video settings as well, so the long distance rendering will be worse now, but hopefully the short distance will be better. It's actually a little bit choppy right now. I wonder where that's at. There, it wasn't there a minute ago. Come on. Oh, it's not dead. Probably not a good idea backing up into here. Come on. I'm trying to keep these videos down too in length. The first few in this series have been really a lot longer than I wanted them to be. But when you get in all this looting, man, it's really hard to back out. I've got, after this building, see, it's actually getting to be dark. Going to be getting dark soon. After, I'm probably, God dang it, gonna think about moving on out of this city, simply because I've looted a whole lot of stuff right now. I need to get off the looting videos, and there's not a place in here that I'm really looking to make a base at. So, great. think the benefit of knocking the door down here is you have a better way to back up. And I like space, especially when I'm using a bow and arrow. Especially a wooden bow and arrow. That takes so many shots to kill him. And weak weapons. That was one heck of a shot. Every now and then I'll pull one of those off, huh? Okay, close quarters. Oh, really? How many of you guys are going to come out of this place? See, this is the problem with too much looting. Oh, get up. PS4 circles. At least 2 of the rooms are open now. Hey! Get out of there! Get out of there! Get out of there! Run, 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 run. Ah. I'm infected. Probably not a big deal. I'll pick up some. Dysentery. Okay. Yeah, I really should go ahead and chop this door down. It gives me a much bigger target to get out of there. 4,000. That guy looks feral. I'll think twice about that. Oh, he is feral. We didn't get him to stay back there. That was not good news. If I had a bunch of wood, I would put spikes out and just catch them on the spikes. But I don't. And he is fast. I don't want to spread out too much either. Okay. Yeah, this building is just, it's hard to say that this building is worth it. I'm going to be mad if they're spawning back in here already. So I think that's my first feral sighting in this map. Yeah, you don't have to be on the, yeah, it's just nothing there. Didn't think I could get them out of the shelf there. But yeah, I do want to get this looting video done. It's 19:30. Got a couple hours before nightfall. I'm going to contemplate what I'm going to do over. Kind of scared me. Contemplate what I'm going to do over. You can wrench these baskets, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that, but I don't got a wrench. If you wrench the baskets, you get the basket. Oh, but anyways, overnight I'm going to contemplate what I'm going to do. If I'm going to move on, or if I'm going to maybe set something up here. There's nothing here that I don't think I can get anywhere else is the problem. I've already looted all these little stores, and it's been great. It's been a great little starter city. That's what you want for a starter city, is something that you can get all the basic stuff and get a bunch of your initial supplies in. In my last video, I hit the big Cracker Book store, like on day 2 or whatever. I ran into a city with, and that was great. But it does tie you up for a couple days to do that, and it essentially lands up, yeah, basically mathematically the same. It took me a couple days to get all this done. This is the survivors. Do they call it settlement? Survivors. It's not the settlement that's at the beginning of the game. It's I don't know. I've heard it called Shantytown. Okay. I really don't want to have to run into any more zombies. It is 2000. I got 2 hours. Oh, maybe that was gonna miss. At least he's walking. Oh, and I can't hit him. Ah! I don't know if I killed that lady. Oh man, come on. Is that lady gonna get up? No, maybe I already killed her. Oh, call someone. Oh, you spaz, come on. Let's check her out. That was interesting. I definitely prefer bow and arrow over melee. But kind of just does not seem to want to stop flickering around. Come on, headshot. Boom! Okay. Yeah, she was just laying there. I don't know. Rather simple to take, I guess. Can't complain. Okay. Let's finish this up. 2011. Oh, crawler. Spider zombie. Guess that's my first spider zombie sighting. There's a tough little skinny guy. Hate spider zombies. So creepy. Oh, come on. He swung at me after he was hit dead. He gave me like a death lunge. How unfair. Oh well. I need a better melee weapon. I don't want to spend too much on anything. I want to get my machete. My machete. I need to find it though. I can use the forge over in next to my temporary base there. The problem with it, and the reason I haven't used it so far, I'm not too sure on ground level forges what oh great, another man, I'm really not digging these guys. Another feral, if you did not see that. They're breaking down the door. I wonder if I can make any spikes. Why can't I make the regular spike? Just make one. I'm not going back in there with that feral in there. Ain't just ain't gonna happen. I'll take them on out here, no problem, but I am not going in that confined space with them. I need to get some more wood. I don't have enough wood to do a whole lot. Come on. Matter of fact, it's 2100. I really can't afford to be on the roof without enough wood to do anything. I think I'm going to let them go ahead and dig on through that door. And I need to figure out tonight, one of my projects for tonight is going to be figuring out what do I need to get the mini bike made. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and head off camera for this part. I'm just going to go chop down a couple trees. I'm going to have to finish that in the morning. I don't have enough time to tangle with the feral in the confined space, so I have to blow it off until the morning. So, that's probably the end of this one. I'm going to go ahead and call it a wrap, and I will see you next episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, please. Subscribe, and let's leave some comments. Thanks. Appreciate it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to head up this direction towards this desert and go a little bit past it and see what I can find. Okay, it was a long run. I did find another city here. We've got some dogs or a wolf after me, I'm not sure which, so. Gotta keep moving. Zombies were first. Oh, there is a nut. It's the same crack-a-book there. Pig. there's the junkyard house. Let's take a look in it, see if I think that is, and that might very well be the bunker house. Yep, bunker house. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, there's another one. Oh man, see, this is way too confined. PlayStation controller. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.